Cameraman here, folks. Just want to run something past you guys. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you guys. We got 80,000 plus neutral droppers. This is craziness. It's insane. We love it. We love what we're doing, as you guys know. I'm over here at Junkman's Paradise, keeping our social distance. And got a surprise for you guys. We're going live on Hoonigans tomorrow. Now, they usually get, I don't know, 1.7 thousand on their things. I watch them, man. They're always cool to watch. Always bringing new innovative stuff and craziness. I want to blow that live through the roof. I want to blow that live through the roof, and I know you guys can do it. It's going to be crazy. We got some crazy surprises. We got a surprise giveaway that we're going to be doing with them. We're going to be giving them a build card that they're going to make. It's going to be real. It's going to be sick, man. It's going to be sick. You guys know we're going to bring it. We're going to bring it hard. We bring it when we're just by ourselves. Forget about when we're on Hoonigans. It got 3.4 million subscribers, man. It's going to be insane. We're going to drag some neutral droppers over. Some new ones. Anyway, just want to let you guys know what's going on. It's going to be tomorrow at 3:15. So go on Hoonigans Live at about 3 o'clock. And you're going to hear me. When you hear Cameraman here, folks, you know it's on. Keep your social distance, gentlemen.
What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? Everybody staying safe? Keeping your distance. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You're too close. You're too close. Stay where you are.
You too. Stay back, I said. Oh, it's not get over here. Now it's stay back.
Stay away. Stay away.
You ready for tomorrow?
I'm ready.
Junkman!
Those guys out there in California are going to play around with the Hoonigans a little bit.
East Coast, West Coast going on, folks. That's right. No more get over here. Stay back, I said. Let me get back. But guys, tomorrow, Thursday, what's the date? April 16th. 3 o'clock Eastern time, New York time. We're going to be going on, I think, at 3:15. Let's blow it up, folks. We're going to be getting crazy. We're going to be going, what in the world is wrong with these guys on the East Coast? It's going to be epic. You know that. We know that. I'm dying to tell you guys, but I'm not, because we got some crazy surprises going on. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's going to be off the rails.